everyone. Today we're going to be working on the 2016 Honda Civic, and we're going to be working on the reverse lights. Alright, so this is what it looks like before. We're going to be changing those reverse lights to LED, and we'll show you the process how to remove it as well. So pretty much what you want to do is remove these two Phillips screws here, and then pretty much it'll be loose at that point, and then we'll pull out the tail light, and we can go from there. So let me remove the two screws first, and we'll go from there. So it's pretty loose already, but you still got to pull it out. It was actually pretty easy. I thought we would have to actually take a clip off or something, but anyways, you're just going to look for your reverse light. So you can look on this side here. So it's on the very bottom down here, and then your turn signal's up here, so for next time you reference that. So your reverse light, you just twist to the left, and it comes right out. And what you want to do is get that bulb out. I would normally recommend a towel, but I don't have one on me today, so I'm just going to pull out with my fingers since the customer is not going to use these again. Put that to the side, and we're going to be using our T15 LED. This one's white. You can put it any way, so you just plug it in, make sure it's straight up and down, and what you basically want to do is test it before you put everything back together, so we'll do that right now. As you can see there, it did illuminate, so now we're going to put everything back together. Okay, so now you just put the light back inside. Find the groove, and then you're going to turn to your right. You'll hear it lock in, so once you've done that, just put everything back together. So there's clips right here, and you're going to want to follow them into these fittings here. So just line it up, and then you should be good to go. And then put your last two Phillips screws here, and then that's pretty much it. So as you can see, both of them are now replaced. This is how they look on the driver's side, your passenger side. So obviously they look a lot better now. Now if you have any issues or questions, feel free to give us a call, and we can definitely assist you. Hope you have a great rest of your day.